So here is your ancient world map that we're doing tonight. Don't forget your heading in the upper right hand corner and your standard up top. I'll go over that in just a moment. What you're looking at here is a map of the world. So this is what the world looks like. This is us over here in Sacramento. We're right about there. Okay. Here's the Pacific Ocean. Here's the Atlantic Ocean, just to give you an idea. So you should be looking at the same sheet. Down here you have a key 1 through 11. And you have another key A through E. I'm going to write in where these places are, and you're going to need a pen of some sort, a pen or a pencil. If you use a pen, please do not use blue. Remember, blue is ocean. You can also have a blue one as we'll label some oceans, but for the lands you'll want a different color other than blue. Remember, blue is always water, and land is never blue. Okay, up here at the top, this is a 7th grade review standard to be able to identify geography of great civilizations. Here we go. Number 1. One is Europe. Europe is right here. So just like I'm doing, exactly where I'm doing it, just go ahead and write the term in. Okay? There's 1, Europe. You might want to even say that, say the name of the country and say the name of the area, because it'll help you remember. Remember, if you hear it, see it, say it, write it. Number 2 is Africa. Africa is right down here. Actually, Africa is all of this. This whole thing's Africa. 3 is Asia. Asia is this large land continent over here. This is all Asia over here, considered Asia. 4 is North America. That's us. That's this whole area right here is considered North America. 5 is South America. It's the bottom part of America. 6 is Australia. Australia is over here. This continent right here. 7 is India. India is this little tip right here. India, right there. 8 is China. China is over here. 9 is Arabia. Arabia is right through here. So I'm going to actually cross a couple of things and just write it right through there. Arabia. 10 is where Mesopotamia was. This is where it gets tricky because it starts to get a little small. Here's Mesopotamia, right in here. Japan is our next one, 11. Here's Japan. Remember, when you can't fit it on the actual land, remember what we've done in the past, we draw a straight line to it. You want to keep your words, see how all of my words are upright. All my words are facing this way, right? I don't have any words slanted or facing this way or writing this way, because when you write like that on a map, remember, it's really hard to see it if you're looking straight on. So again, we're going to draw a line out, keep it as level with the other terms as possible. Okay, so that's Japan. Those are big, large land areas that we just did. So the next ones we're going to do Italy. Italy is right here. It's this little tiny, looks like a, well, it's hard to see here, but it's a little tiny boot. I'm actually going to just do a little line like that so I can see it. There's Italy. Greece is right here, or what we know as ancient Greece. So let me write a little dot. It's a little easier to see. Okay. West Africa is here. We're on the west coast, Africa. That was called West. That is still called West Africa. D, Aztecs, Maya, or the Mayan civilization. They're right out here. Sort of in Central America. Aztecs and Maya civilization, or Mayan, the Mayans. And E is Incas. The Incas are right here. Okay, there's one more thing I'm going to do on here. Like I said, I'm going to label some, and I was just using purple right there for those things. I'm going to label some oceans, just so you have a reference. And I'm going to use blue for that, because remember, blue is water. So here's the Atlantic Ocean on this side. And here's the Pacific Ocean on this side. And remember, we hang out by the Pacific Ocean right out here. We're right about there. Right near the coast. Go California. That's it.